Hi everyone. Today I'd like to explain about one more problem to find out the triple integral. The question is, set up the limits of integration for evaluating the triple integral for the function f. What is the region? The region is tetrahedron D. The four vertices of the tetrahedron is given. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 1. How to evaluate this f, that is triple integral f dv over the D, over the region D, tetrahedron. And next, in order to find out the solution, we need four steps. The first step is we have to draw sketch D, sketch the surface D, right? Then how to sketch this curve? That is we are going to do. Okay, this is the xy, this is the y, this is x plane, this is z plane. And first point is notated this as, this is a point 1, 1, 0. And suppose this is a point 0, 1, 1. This is a point 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And this is a point 0, 0, 0. So these are the points in the tetrahedron. So these are the points of tetrahedron, right? So this is a tetrahedron, our tetrahedron. So in this, the method is we are using this the shadow method. Method is shadow method. First of all, we have to find the shadow corresponding to one surface. Here we are doing this. Listen, look at this textbook. Here we are doing this f of triple integral over d, f of x, y, z into dy, dz, dx, dy, dz, dx. So, and this is a picture in this. So we have to, this is actually a triangle, and here that's a surface, there will be a surface. The surface, when you switch on the light on the torch, then the shadow will be on this plane. This is a plane XZ plane. The shadow will lies in the plane XZ plane. Then this is actually in this picture I have drawn. This is a shadow corresponding to when I switch on the light of torch, then the shadow will lies in this region, right? So this is a shadow of this. This is our region. This is the shadow of our region, right? So we are going to evaluate this one. That is, in this type, we have to draw that is in the XZ plane. The shadow lies in the XZ plane. That's why I am choosing this dy, dz, dx. Okay. So how to evaluate this limits of integration? First of all, we have to find out the limits of y. Y varies from word to word here. Y depends on the z and x. In order to find out these planes, we have to find out. These planes, we have to find out. In order to find this plane, I'm going to do one problem in this. I'm going to take two vector in this. Suppose this is a vector. I'm choosing this point and choosing this point also. And this is a vector I plus j. and this is a vector, this is a point 0, 1, 1. So this line is equal to 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1, this is a line is, I'm choosing this as 0, minus 1, sorry, 1 minus 0, I, plus 1 minus 1, that is 0j, plus 0 minus 1 minus k. This is a 2 vector in this. I plus j and I minus k. Right. Then I have to find out a perpendicular. In order to find the plane, I need a point and a normal line, normal vector. So, in order to find out the normal vector, I am choosing the 2 vector. Next, I am doing this is A, vector A, and this is vector B. Now, what is A cross B? A cross B equal to I, j, k, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. This equal to I into minus 1 minus j into minus 1 plus k into minus 1, that is minus I plus j minus k. So the normal line is minus I plus j minus k, and the point is equal to 1, 1, 0. So point and minus I plus j minus k. So this is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 into y minus 1 plus minus 1 into z equal to 0. So this is minus x plus 1 plus y minus 1 minus z equal to 0, which implies this get cancelled and y equal to z plus x is equal to y equal to z plus x. This is a, b, c, ai plus bj plus ek. This is x naught, y naught, z naught. So a into x minus x naught plus b into y minus y naught plus c into z minus z naught equal to 0 is the equation of a plane passing through a point and a normal line is given. So the plane is given by y equal to z plus x. Look at the textbook. Then you can see that the plane is y equal to z plus x. Okay. So the upper boundary of the R is a line. Z equal to 1 minus x. How can you get it? This is the line x plus z equal to 1. How can you find out that this is x plus z equal to 1? This is in the plane x plus z equal to 1. X the plane. This is a point 0, 0, 1. This is a point 1, 0, 0. Joining these, the line will be x plus z equal to 1. Okay. So this plane is equal to x plus z equal to 1. Right. And so the upper boundary of the, and then how will you evaluate this integration? So first of all, we have to draw the region. Next, from the shadow onwards, we have to draw a line From the shadow onwards, this is the shadow. From shadow, draw a line through the region. This is our region, right? This region, draw a line from this, right? This is the region, line M. This region reach at this point. This is equal to, this is a plane y equal to z plus x. From this y equal to z plus x, and this picture is equal to, this is equal to y equal to 1. Actually here y equal to 1, there is no change in this. Now all points y equal to 1. So this is a plane y equal to 1. So this y varies from where to where? Y varies from z plus x to 1. Next is you have to find out z values. Z values you can, from this shadow you can find out that this is xz plane. XZ plane, Z depends on x. X varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. Next, to draw perpendicular to this x-axis. So, how can you find out the Z? Z varies from where to where? Z varies from Z equal to y. The upper boundary of the regional line is equal to Z equal to 1 minus x. Lower boundary of the line is equal to Z equal to 0. Next, we have to find out the line is equal to. After that, we have to find out Z equal to 1 minus x, and the lower boundary is the line Z equal to 0 in this. Okay, this is a. Okay, we have to draw perpendicular to this x-axis. That is wrong. I have chosen here. Next is we have to draw a line perpendicular to this. Here x varies from where to where? Here x varies from 0 to 1. And next to draw a perpendicular, we have to choose a strip perpendicular to this x-axis. And this varies from where to where? This end to, from here through the line, through this x plus z equal to 1. Here z equal to 0, here z equal to 1 minus x. So this z varies from where to where? 0 to 1 minus x. So the limits of integration is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, integral x plus z equal to x plus z to 1, f of x by z dy dz dx. Okay. This is the limits of integration, and we have to do the limits also. The limits of integration is equal to 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x, integral x plus z to 1, f is equal to given dy dz if f is equal to 1. Find out this integral when f equal to 1. Right? Similarly, find out, do the same problem in another way also. We have to do the same problem. Okay. I'll do some more problems in the next class. Thank you.